Look at the material. The parting is gorgeous. Chef's kiss.
You want a supermodel pose? Like my real friend Wynne.
Hey loves, my name is Wendy Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you been? How's this week treating you? Because you know your girl has been uploading every week, checking in. In today's video, I really want to share with you guys this new knotless braided wig that I am wearing, and she is a godsend, okay? Because Lord knows I did not feel like doing my hair, and I feel like we've been bamboozling people right now. Love that for me. Today's video was in partnership with Neatandsleek. They created this gorgeous unit. I know y'all probably thought I was about to make this, but actually no, I got it out the bag, trimmed the baby hairs, and put it on. Like, I literally didn't have to do anything to this wig. Straight out the box, came gorgeous. I'm really impressed because I make braided and lock wigs myself, so I'm very picky. And honestly, I was shook. This wig is really nice, and not only is it super nice, it's very affordable. So the link to it will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to check it out. This is a full lace knotless wig in the color 1B and waist length, and she is popping, okay? Like the parting, come on man, come on, like look at the material. Look at the material. The parting is gorgeous. Chef's kiss. So if you guys want to see how I finesse this knotless braid look in 15 minutes, sweetheart, then keep watching. Hey babes, so I already have my wig cap on and my hair tucked in, and I put a little bit of makeup down the middle and on the edges because I know I'm gonna wear a middle part for sure. Y'all know I love a good middle part. So this is the wig. She looks so pretty. I dipped her last night. What is this? Oh, piece of my wig cap. But yeah, I dipped her last night. She is looking good with a T at the end. So what I want to do now is cut off this lace in the back. As you can see, this wig is so neat. So I want to cut off this excess lace in the back because I'm going to leave a little bit of like my little baby hairs out in the back. Nothing too crazy, literally just a little. Don't look in my kitchen too hard, but yes, a little bit. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut the lace along the sides. So as you can see, this is right behind the ear tab, and I want to cut all of that off too. Okay, so now we just have the lace on in the front and it's all off in the back. And it comes with this like adjustable strap, so I got that together. So now we just have to, y'all okay? Now we just have to put her on. So first I'm gonna put this strap on. Then I'm gonna get the middle comb. I'm just gonna kind of push that in. Oh, I look like the Predator. I wanna get her adjusted before I put the side ones in, because sometimes you can put the side combs in too far back and then it'll feel like the wig is too small, but it's not. Okay. Yes, she is laying. Okay. I'm gonna put makeup in the hairline to kind of blend it because I did not feel like doing the most with my wig cap, but it's fitting really well. Ooh, let me get this lace off so I can see what she's giving. So now that I have the lace cut, I really just want to pull all of the braids back so I can start to lay the hairline and the baby hairs. And then I'm probably going to leave the ones down here down because that's a hard area to lay if like anything is pulling on the hair. So yeah, clip. Okay, so the wig has really sparse baby hairs, which is perfect because they're gonna look really good once I lay them. What I'm gonna do is I'm taking this little like eyebrow archer little razor thing. You can use scissors. You just wanna like, you know, not make like a blunt line. But since I have it with me, I'ma use it, okay? So I have this here, and for this wig, this time, I really want to go for like really natural baby hair. So I'm gonna cut them a little short. I'm trying to give chili, but give it box braids, you know? Okay, Now with my Got To Be Glue gel, I'm just gonna lay my edges, and this is really how I'm gonna secure my wig. So I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Glue gel. And I'm using the black clear one. I'm on vacation, so I can only bring the travel size, baby. So this is like getting real. So first, I'm just kind of applying the gel into the lace and pressing it down. And then after I have all the gel in it, I'm gonna go in and lay the edges. Because first thing first, you want the hold. First things first, we ain't trying to have our wig flying off. Do you feel me? And then once we get that down, we can start getting artsy fartsy with the baby hairs. So not only am I applying it onto the baby hairs, but I'm actually really applying the gel on the lace. So y'all know I gotta have my middle swoop. These, I thought I cut them short, but they still too long. Yeah, this is not the vibe. So let me go ahead and trim these some more. Yes, there we go. Now it's giving what it's supposed to give. Yes, we're going for very, very natural. I didn't do too much on the sides because I really just want to focus on getting those laid down. So what I'm gonna do is, since I got the middle baby hairs done, I'm gonna just put my scarf on to get these nice and laid. I'll style those baby hairs after the wig is secure because I already know those will give me a hard time. So I'm gonna just throw my scarf on really quick and let this glue set. Oh, okay, the edges is laid. So now I'm gonna go in with some powder foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in Mocha, because baby didn't got a whole tan, okay, a tan. And then I'm just going to take this small little blendy brush. No, but for real, I'm gonna take a small little blendy brush and kind of blend in any, lines of demarcation or anything. I'm honestly only worried about the edges and the middle part because I'm committed to this middle part and I know I'm not gonna wear it any other way, so everything else kind of don't matter. But this unit is so nice. It could totally be worn in a ponytail. All right, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I am losing the light now. Miss Mams is filming with natural lighting and not anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Stay tuned for my next video. It'll be coming really, really soon. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you're subscribed, please. We're almost at 50K and that will mean so much to me. Real talk, y'all. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, babes.